Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Walker Longworth, and today I'm going to inform everyone on why you should wear a seatbelt. Here's some of the key points. And for one, it's North Carolina law. And for that way you don't get tickets, save money as well. Tickets are expensive. Keeps points off of your license, as also as your insurance as well. Insurance rates can go up depending on the price of the seatbelt tickets or how many seatbelt tickets that you've got. Also, it could put your life at risk if you're not wearing a seatbelt while being in a crash. Airbags actually are more effective when you are wearing a seatbelt. Alright, so in 2014, more than half of crashes of people that were not wearing a seatbelt ended up being fatal or were put into critical condition. People saved more lives of wearing a seatbelt. It was about 12,000 of them instead of the 24,000 that actually died during the crashes. So here's some facts about it. Crashes are leading the cause of death while not wearing a seatbelt. Seatbelts are actually designed to protect you instead of, most people, if you even wear it underneath the shoulder so it doesn't irritate your neck, could actually cause decapitation while you're driving, and depending on how bad the crash is. Wearing a seatbelt is about 50-50, depending on how bad the crash is. It's not 100% that you're actually going to be safe wearing a seatbelt. Ages 18 to 24 are actually less likely to be wearing seatbelts than the older people, because kids our age tend to just break the law and they don't feel like wearing seatbelts because it could be uncomfortable for them. Here's the national usage. 86% of Americans will actually be wearing seatbelts, and in North Carolina, 88% of people wear seatbelts. Here's a short clip that I would like to show you of what happens when you're not wearing a seatbelt. As you see, the person flew out of the car actually because he was not wearing a seatbelt. So in that case, you could have been possibly saved or have less of an injury, depending on if you're wearing a seatbelt or not. So that was a short clip I would have liked to have showed.
Yeah, make sure you pause the video or it'll keep playing this one.
So where I got most of my information, I actually got it from the DMV. So I went to the DMV, picked up a pamphlet on some of the state laws, what like your driver's license points you could get put onto it. So a seatbelt ticket would actually put 4 points on your driver's license and 8 points onto your insurance. Is there any questions that anyone has?
No.
No questions?
Also, you got a question?
Yeah. What happens if maybe you're wearing your seatbelt, you smack that airbag a little too hard and it dislocates your jaw or something?
Well, in that case, say you weren't wearing the seatbelt, you would possibly break your neck. So the seatbelt's actually going to protect you, and it'd be much better just to fracture your jaw than lose your life in the sense of not wearing a seatbelt. Any other questions?
We need one more.
One more question?
Yeah.
Okay. How can you say there on that video that she was safer if she didn't wear it? And when she did?
As you saw that they came out of the vehicle, because when you're in the vehicle and it's turning over, your body's getting slung around inside the vehicle. In the seatbelt, your body's going to be attached to the seat. You're not going to fly around instead of, like they were in the car. Is that it? Any other questions?